Hello and welcome back to my channel, guys. This is your mentor Sanyukta Singh, and in today's session I am going to talk about the stream product design and the questions which are asked under product design stream for NID. Now let's move on to our questions. Describe the following word with the geometrical shapes: darkness, family, companionship and failure. एक और word था which I am missing, that's why each word is of 1 marks जिसमें आपको describe करना है. Now there will be some students जो बिल्कुल भी aware नहीं होंगे कि from which topic this question is asked. Like on my channel I already have delivered the color psychology topic to you, and I have also delivered one more topic which is very relevant. The question जहाँ से ये पूछा गया है, ये question बिल्कुल उसी topic का है. So let me talk about that topic, and that topic is lines and shape psychology. Here in this session I have talked about the psychology behind a line, the psychology behind certain shapes. एक triangle की psychology क्या हो सकती है, circle की क्या हो सकती है, rectangle की क्या हो सकती है. So इसी तरीके से आपको इस word को, इन words को, इन shapes and geometrical elements के through depict करना है. Now what are the geometrical elements? कौन कौन से geometrical elements हैं? And your geometrical elements would be diagonal lines, your horizontal, vertical lines. इस शेप को हम क्या कहते हैं? डू यू हैव एनी आइडिया? इस शेप को हम क्या कहते हैं? आपके अंदाज में अगर हम बोले तो इसे हम वेवी लाइंस या फिर zigzags भी कह सकते हैं, बट दे आर ऑफन कॉल्ड scale-ups, they are often called chevrons. So these all are the geometrical elements. Now including all the geometrical elements, you all have to form a pattern or a motif or a shape which will be present under any basic shape. It can be triangle, it can be circle, it can be rectangle, and they can be fusion of shapes too. What is fusion of shapes? In which we are going to mix two shapes. Darkness, family, companionship and failure. Family and companionship, probably इनके जो emotions है, they are going to be same. So for that, अगर इस type का कोई pattern बनाया जाए, so we can definitely secure a good marks in that. So this is how you're going to depict this whole question with the geometrical shapes and the elements. Now this was type 1 question जो कि आपसे पूछा गया था, जिसमें आपको boxes बने हुए मिले होंगे, and then you will have to execute these questions through lines and shape psychology. Now moving on to the second question. Describe any one problem which you see on the railway station. Draw that. Suggest some improvement for the following. Now this question is divided into 2 categories. सबसे पहले आपको draw करना है what you see on a railway station. Now this can be in the form of perspective too, this can be in the form of composition too. Perspective में भी कोई इसे 1 point से बना रहा होगा, कोई इसे 2 point से बना रहा होगा, कोई 3 point से बना रहा होगा, and ये एक simple composition भी हो सकती है. So the first question जिस पे 5 marks है is only the line drawing. आपको बहुत ही अलग वेरिएशन में शेडिंग स्ट्रोक्स नहीं करने हैं. अगर आप ये कर पाते हो, then it is going to look more aesthetically appealing and definitely you're going to get good marks. But work according to your time. In NID, mostly the questions are not asked in the way where you need to represent it through very artistically. So it's more of creative approach जो आपको रखना है. So पहला पार्ट है क्वेश्चन का जहाँ पे आपको इसको एक पर्सपेक्टिव के थ्रू, एक कॉम्पोजिशन के थ्रू उस पूरे सीन को ड्रॉ करना है. एंड द सेकेंड, अलॉन्ग विद द प्रॉब्लम, अगर आप वो प्रॉब्लम उस इमेज में दिखा पा रहे हो, then only you are going to get a good marks. Now the second part of the question is you have to introduce the improvements for the problem which you have shown in that very illustration. Now that can be in the form of illustrations too. Now the similar question I did ask in my exercise when I was teaching my students and making them prepare for the NID Masters. Indian railway stations are the most crowded ones at the time of festivals that may cause unnecessary accidents. आप सबने देखा होगा mostly on the time of your Diwali festival, your Holi festival, हमारे यहाँ छठ होता है, तो जो स्टेशंस होते हैं वो बहुत क्राउडेड होते हैं. Now show 3 options of how can we control the same in a illustration. अब यहाँ पे 3 possibilities कि इनको कैसे कंट्रोल किया जा सकता है in a illustration I did ask my students to show. And the second question was explain the idea in not more than 60 to 70 words. Now 3 images were already the proposed solutions were there जो बच्चों को बताने थे, और with the not only with the illustration but with the description too, they had to describe कि what are the measures that must be taken to improve this cause, to improve this unnecessary accidents. तो ये जो क्वेश्चन है ये कौन से टॉपिक से आता है? दिस यूजुअली कम्स फ्रॉम आइडेंटिफाइंग प्रॉब्लम्स एंड प्रेजेंटिंग देयर सॉल्यूशंस. नाउ दिस क्वेश्चन आल्सो, मे बी दिस टॉपिक इज आल्सो like present on my YouTube channel. You can go and search the initial name of the object you have to put on YouTube and type my name there, that identifying problems and their solutions by Sanyukta Singh Studio, or color theory by Sanyukta Singh Studio, or maybe posters or stamps by Sanyukta Singh Studio. आपको सारा का सारा topic you will get there. Now इस type के question में the creative approach is more needed rather than the aesthetical approach. मतलब बहुत ही ब्रिलियंट शेडिंग एंड ड्राइंग एंड कलरिंग की कोई रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं होती. आप सिंपली अपने लाइन ड्राइंग से भी यू कैन प्रेजेंट द आइडिया. Now this was the second question that was asked. Let's talk about the third question, and that was draw sequential drawing of knife making. Now there are sessions on process drawing too on my channel, but washing of the shirt or polishing of the shoe is pretty common. और ये किससे पूछा जा सकता है? बैचलर्स इन डिज़ाइन के स्टूडेंट से ज़्यादा पूछा जा सकता है. बट सिंस यू आर अपियरिंग फॉर प्रोडक्ट डिज़ाइन, knife making would be something which will be on advanced level, और आपको इसको प्रोसेस ड्राइंग के थ्रू दिखाना है इन 5 boxes. नाउ ये पूरे 5 boxes आपके 20 मार्क्स के हैं. दैट मीन्स 4 marks is given for each box. This question often falls under the category of your process drawing, which is also called your sequential drawing. Sequential drawing का मतलब क्या है? Process drawing का मतलब क्या है? जब पहला process हो जाए तभी दूसरा हो सकता है, and after the completion of 2 process, third can take place. तो एक sequence में अगर कोई काम होता है या कोई भी प्रोडक्ट बनता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड योर प्रोसेस ड्राइंग और सिक्वेंशियल ड्राइंग. तो यहाँ पे जस्ट आई jotted down few images because हर एक चीज़ का प्रोसीजर है. जब तक ये तैयार नहीं होगा, आपके इसके हैंडल्स तैयार नहीं होंगे, इसके रिवेट्स नहीं होंगे. सो पूरी एक प्रोसेस है जहाँ पे ये नाइफ बन करके आता है. इस प्रोसेस को आपको 5 बॉक्सेस में दिखाना है. दिस इज the question of your process drawing. So there were 3 questions. Now the 4th question is draw the isometric view of the USB cable attached to the adapter. Now this question is of 10 marks. Sorry, 5 into 2 मैंने लिखा है. This is not going to be 5 into 2, but this is only of 10 marks. Now here you are asked to draw basically the object drawing, but that object drawing needs to have some technical aspect too, and that is your isometric projections. Now there is my session again on YouTube on isometric projections. आप सबने देखा होगा, नहीं देखा है तो please go and watch that session. In isometric projections हम क्या करते हैं? Basically we draw things on 30-degree angle, like ये हमारा $180 का, sorry 1 second, this is the 180-degree line, this is the perpendicular thing, this might be your 30 degree, this might be your 30 degree, and इसी एंगल पे अगर हम कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट ड्रॉ करते हैं, that is called your isometric projection. So isometric projections की जब बात की जाए तो you have to take care about the 30 degree angle. इस पे आपको मार्क्स है. So basically this question is from your object drawing and also your observation skills. अगर आपकी ऑब्जर्वेशन स्किल्स अच्छी नहीं है, देन वो अडेप्टर कहाँ पे उसका USB केबल अटैच हो रहा है, वो कैसा दिखता है, एंड द बेसिक डिटेलिंग्स जिस पे मार्क्स है वो आपको नहीं मिलेंगे. सो दिस इज द actual look of the adapter with the USB cable. Now let's move on to our next question, which is draw a kit for an artist which carries following materials that are A5 size sketchbook, brushes, colors, container, rough cloth and other essential. Now this question is basically of your product design part. Since you are going to appear for masters in design and that too in product design, one question is definitely going to be from product design. Now ये इसमें बैग्स पूछे गए हैं. हो सकता है कि आपको कोई फर्नीचर बनाने को बोल दिया जाए, हो सकता है कि आपको कोई लाइफस्टाइल एक्सेसरी बनाने को कह दिया जाए. It might happen you'll be asked to draw a lighting fixture or a sitting fixture or maybe any crockery item. So it can be anything that will fall under your product design. So this question was of, I guess, 15 marks. Yes, this question was of 15 marks. So yes, that was all, where you will be asked the 5 questions related to product design category if you are appearing for NID. Now on that note, let me tell you few more important specifications too of your product design basically, and that is product design paper for masters will be of 3 hours. Second part is 1.5 hour will be your MCQ, जिसके अंदर आपके 30 to 32 questions हो सकते हैं, and you will be given 2.5 hours for CAT, जिसमें आपके probably 4 to 5 questions होंगे. Now one more thing guys, ये जो 4 to 5 questions होंगे, they are going to be of 60 to 70 marks. इस year the questions were of 60 marks, but previous year the questions were of 70 marks. So this can fluctuate, and here आपको सिर्फ हाफ एन आवर मिलेगा MCQ के लिए एंड 2.5 आवर्स मिलेगा कैट के क्वेश्चंस के लिए. नाउ मास्टर्स का जो पेपर होता है, फॉर एवरी स्ट्रीम इट इज गोइंग टू बी डिफरेंट. नाउ गैट इज गोइंग टू बी कॉमन फॉर एवरी स्ट्रीम, but creative, the 2.5 hours is going to be different. For the interaction design student it will be different, for ceramic design student it will be different, for product it will be different. So this is how NID conducts its masters in design exam. So yes, that was all for today. I hope this session was helpful for you, and do let me know in the comments that whatever topic you need and which is going to be helpful for you all, I will be coming up with the videos for the same. Also, if you have not subscribed my channel, please go and subscribe it, share it, like it, क्योंकि आपको इतने important discussions और कहीं नहीं मिलेंगे. So till then guys, take care, bye bye.